everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I go ahead with the planning process and how I'm planning the month of April to clear the upcoming banking exams. So let's get started. By doing this kind of planning, I feel more calm, motivated, and organized in spite of whether I do the whole things completely. So, I start off with planning in my very own small planner, which I keep every day handy. To prepare for bank exams, one should strictly follow a specific strategy that fits to you, which is very important. But following the same strategy daily will bore you. In that situation, what I do is I do a sort of change in the way of planning that I actually follows. In the past days, I followed a strategy which involves all quants, reasoning, English, GA in my daily planning. But in the upcoming months, I thought to modify those strategy to complete one at a time. As of now, in the month of April, we don't have banking exams piled up. So, I'm going to use this month for my preparation. Doing all things in one go sometimes seems possible, but later it will create some kind of vague in our mind. So, for that, I'm going to select one topic a day, like quants for the entire day or reasoning for the next day, and goes on. I will upload a video on the resources I use for my preparation in the upcoming week, which may help for the beginners who started preparation as fresh. Saturday, I have allocated for revision of previous month current affairs. We have 4 Saturdays in this month. So, it will be for December, January, February, March current affairs revision. Sunday, it is for weekly CA revision, which is the previous week current affairs. Along with these, there are some things we need to do on daily basis. They are daily current affairs, daily editorials, and daily mock tests with analysis. A very important thing is you have to make sure that you are completing daily current affairs regularly without missing a single day at any cost, and also to revise the previous day current affairs daily, especially to concentrate more on mains exams, and also one mock on prelims a day is compulsory with analysis. As I am confident in basics, I am going to split the entire quant sections into 16 important topics in arithmetic. On our plan, we have created 7 days for quant section. Based on the similarity, I am splitting the topics and made it 2 topics for each day. For example, time and work and pipes and systems are similar topics. So, I am making it as one whole for Thursday timetable. For reasoning, I have planned to practice seating arrangements and puzzles and 2 important topics for each day. For example, on Friday, I have planned to solve 5 sets of seating arrangement in prelims level with 25 questions and also 5 sets of puzzles, and also going to cover coding, decoding and inequality topics. For English, I am going to make me strong in all grammar topics by splitting them for 7 days and also randomly attempting quiz in websites like GradeUp, ADA 247 and also with practice materials. hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please consider subscribe and hit like.